If there is a rejection of range, right, you are not caught by surprise. And if there's a rejection of range, you will see 5-day returning back as some sort of resistance on the shoulder of that structure right there. So this liquidity, you know exactly what it's up to. And so pay close attention, especially if we lag buying continuation the next couple of days, Thursday, Friday, you will not be caught by surprise. If this wants to head down, you pay attention because it will close at larger cup right there. But watch out for tapering. If it wants to taper, it may take time. So you want to see blue with them. That's the most important if it wants to head down, right? And watch out for that, right? So watch out, see if it heads down right there, and look for structure. By then, your 5-day will start trending down. So there are many indicators you have to pay close attention to if you want to see a certain trend happening. I talked about that yesterday's video. Links in the description. Please watch this. And very importantly, I want you to learn to do this by yourself. At the end of the day, right? Yesterday, I can foresee so many people following signals. Do you know how bearish it was yesterday? It seems that everyone is talking about how bearish it's going to be. Everyone